This is a review of the KN95 foldable protective mask that I'm going to be doing a review about. And in this review, we're going to show everything about this particular foldable protective mask. So without going any further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so I got everything pulled out of the package, and these are the 20-piece masks themselves, the KN95 mask. And so there's 10 right here, 10 right there, and this wasn't included, so pretty much 20. And what I love about this particular KN95 mask is that the colors are really beautiful. You could opt for different colors as well too, but I opted for black, and black looks amazing. And one, not just that, but I love the the filterization that it has right over here. So when you pretty much wear this mask for a long time, you could still, like for example, if you're wearing it to the gym, you can pretty much still breathe very well. It's not going to suffocate or anything like that. You can breathe very perfectly in this, like you're pretty much not wearing anything. And that's one cool thing I love about it, because as compared to other masks that I had in the past, that you cannot breathe very properly and well as compared to this one. Because if you see here very carefully, the filterization is really phenomenal. It's pretty much breathable. You can see from the quality is very breathable. The lines even show where you put your nose, where you put your mouth, where you put, it's like aligned. Everything it shows is really aligned. And that's one thing I love about it. Everything's in detail about this product. And another thing that I do also want to mention, that these things themselves, the elastics, really don't break either. So these are reusable KN95 masks, so you could wear them for about probably like 2 times or 3 times at the most, depending on if you're going to the gym. If you're sweating or something like that, then you may have to probably dispose of them, because these are disposable as well too. But you could reuse these about probably like twice at the most, so pretty much 2 times. And it really is, a good mask where you could pretty much wear for your everyday activities, for pretty much if you're going to the gym or you're pretty much going to everywhere. And it really is comfortable as well too. You don't really realize that you're wearing it. And another thing I love about it is these elastics don't break. So like pretty much as compared to other KN95 masks, they usually have wear and tear, and these usually break. So then you have to immediately just dispose them into the trash. These, on the other hand, they don't break, and they're really strong and stuck onto the KN95 masks themselves. But other than that, I absolutely would recommend these KN95 masks. These are a total pack of 20 in black. They really are super amazing. You can pretty much breathe in them. The filterization is phenomenal as well too. And it's just, it's really the main important thing about a KN95 mask is the comfortability, and it does have the comfortability. You can pretty much breathe in them very well, and it really is a overall a amazing product that I would definitely recommend. So if you're pretty much looking for a KN95 mask to protect yourself, or pretty much you're going to wear for something like if you're doing like seesawing, or anything that has anything that goes, debris, dirt that goes into your lungs, your nose, and your mouth, then this mask in particular, I would definitely recommend this product, because it, once you wear it, you pretty much there's no air that will pretty much you're gonna breathe from the other side, because it's like enclosed. So that's one thing I love about it. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this product. If you're looking for a KN95 mask, then I would definitely recommend this product.